To prime my face, I'm going to use the Water Jelly Hydrating Primer from Huda Beauty. I ain't gonna lie, if I had to choose like what I love to do on my face, it would definitely be contouring my nose. I can't wait to get to the contouring part. But you know what, we're not gonna rush. We're gonna take our lovely time. Well, not too much time, but I'm gonna use the NARS and Taupe foundation. What I love about this foundation is that you don't need that much. You don't need that much, and it's very full coverage. And I'm a full coverage girl. I'm a full coverage girl. I'm not a light medium. I want a lightweight. No ma'am, I don't want that. So to blend my face out, I'm gonna use the crayon case brush. I love this brush. Though mine is dirty. I like to spray my brush. I like to spray my brush just so it can help break up the foundation. But I like to mix my concealers. I like to mix it with the Black Radiance. I like to use the Black Radiance. Now this one don't tell me like what type, like if it's light, medium. I'm guessing it's light. It don't have numbers on it, so I'm sorry y'all guys. I'll try to leave a link down in the description below which one is the actual one that I'm using. Then I mix it with the Juvia's concealer in 12. With the Black Radiance concealer, you have to work fast. You have to work fast because it dries fast. So Juvia's, the reason why I mix it with this one, because this one is a little darker and the Black Radiance is too light, so to like, you know, dim it down just a little bit, I use this one. I start off with the chin. I like to go in circles. I don't know why, I just do. And then I blend out the edges. I like to do my under eye last, just because it gives it, I like to let my concealer sit. And if you let it sit for a little while, then it'll last longer to me. It gets a little thick. Beautiful, baby. Beautiful.
Merry Christmas.
When I set my face, I get a little messy, okay? I get a little messy. So what I do is I place a towel on my desk. just so my shirt won't get dirty. Because guess who's not changing their shirt? It's from Black Radiance. It's called Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. And y'all, this is what I do. Y'all know how y'all have them stoppers in the thing, you gotta keep shaking it. Like, I don't have time for that. Like, that is just too much work, especially for quad hands. And so what I do is I put the stopper off. You know, let's just make it easy for each other. You help me, I help you. Okay. Okay. What I do, I'm taking my little crayon case brush. I'm just gonna get a little bit. I don't really need that much because this stuff is so check and see if they have any creases. They do. Y'all if y'all stuff starts to crease, make sure you wipe out some creases before you start to set. Then you're gonna be mad at yourself wondering why, oh, it's still creasing. Did you make sure that it wasn't creasing before you set the thing? Alright, so I'm gonna take my 9 a.m. brush from the crayon case. Make sure y'all go get this brush. Go on the crayoncase.com, or matter of fact, go on the crayon case app and get this brush. This brush is everything. You can use it for everything. You can use it for contouring. You can set under your eyes. You can use it for blush. You can use it to contour your nose. You can use it to highlight. You know, sprinkle a highlight, a level highlight, and yeah. But I mainly use it to set under my eyes. So I'm just gonna set it under my eyes. To, like, you know, snatch my jaw, I'm gonna take the crayon case powder puff, and, you know, cut my crease. And I just started using this technique, and I think I was sleeping on it. To bronze my face and to contour my nose, I'm going to take the Becca bronzer contour palette. I'm going to take my favorite angle brush from Morphe. Y'all, I've been having this brush for a long time, and I'm so happy that I didn't lose it, because I tend to lose all my favorite brushes. Just like my beauty brush, I think but it's okay. I probably gave it to my sister and just forgot. But yeah. Okay, to take all the bacon off and to set the whole face, I like to use the Kiss Mattifying Powder and Tan. And when I tell y'all, this stuff is bomb. This stuff, it gives you like a airbrush look, and that's what I like in this type of powder, and it's not too mattifying at all. It's the right amount. For the blush, I'm going to use this peach blush right here. It's called LA Colors. It's a natural blush. It's so pretty. Then you get your nose. For highlight, I'm going to use the Crayon Case Glow Cane highlight. Y'all can see how the highlight is glowing. Look on my fingers. Before I like to put on my highlight, I like to spray my face first and then put the highlight on. For a liner, for waterline, I'm going to use the Nicka K in black. This is the first. You get it for $1.99, boo. This burnt orange right here. I'm gonna put it under. Remember how I told you that the Nicka K pencil was also a lip liner and an eyebrow pencil? We're gonna use it for the lip liner. For the gloss I'm going to use is this milk gloss from NYX, and it's called Cherry Skin. For the mascara I'm going to use is the Fenty Beauty mascara. Now y'all, I'm in love with this mascara. I'm really in love with this mascara because it makes my lashes look so long and full.
I get to know you better. Come on, oh, let's go. And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's.
You would think I had lash extensions. Look at that. Look at it. Don't step too long. Alright. I think we're done. We're done. Alright, y'all. That's the end of my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to leave all of the products that I use down below. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see a skincare routine, because I will definitely do that for y'all. But yeah, I feel cute. I feel like I'm about to go somewhere, but no, I'm about to take it off and go to bed. But yeah, y'all be breezy.